simultaneous question in schools? Inshira, you started simultaneous question. Ryan, have you started simultaneous question? Ryan, not yet. Have you started, Ryan? No. Shafi, simultaneous question? Started already, okay. So I'm going to give you some sums. Now, what is simultaneous equation now? Simultaneous questions will have two unknown. What is an unknown? Unknown is like you watch X-Files before, no? X-Files, the show. There are things that we don't know. So this now, let's say if you are given this, is one unknown, and you can find the unknown. Okay, X, but they will give you two unknown in the equation. For example, X plus Y equals to 7. Don't write down here, nah? Equals to 7. So you got to solve it, but they will give you two equations. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you step by step. You try to follow now the step, and we will take it from there. Okay, I'm just gonna double check. Inshira, you're using this in school? This one. Textbook. Ryan, sorry, Ryan, you're using this? Yeah. Ryan, you're using this one in school? The other one, this one. Okay, Shafi, you're using this in school? This one. So that means you all can buy this lah. Buy this book 2A, we'll buy this book and then we can refer to it. Because since all of you are not using this, and Shafi, the express and normal academic is similar, but express is tougher lah. Okay. So all right, so we will do simultaneous equation. All right, so now you try now. You have one equation is like this: y equals to 3 minus x. And the other one is y equals to x plus 1. Can you just copy down these two? And then we go step by step. Okay, how to solve this? Okay, how to solve this, all right? So down here now, we call this equation 1. We call this equation 2. Okay, so far okay? All okay, eh? Now, let's assume that the y down here and the y down here, they are of equal value. If the y is 5, down here is 5. If the x is 3, the x is 3. Okay, so now what to do? We are going to substitute. You know, substitute, play soccer. The player is too tired, something, the manager or the coach will substitute them. So same thing. Down here, you are told that y equals to x plus 1. Do you know that I can take this value and put inside here? You see now, I put on here y equals to 3 minus x, the first one. Can you see the first one? Now I'm going to take this value of y because the other equation has y. Y equals x plus 1, so I can put x plus 1 here. First of all, are you confused by this now? You see, they say that this, they say yo-yo equals to 3 minus x. Yo-yo equals to x plus 1. This means these two must be the same lah. So I put 3 minus x is equals to x plus 1. Can you see what I'm doing now? Now I have, when I do that, I only have x. I don't have y anymore. I can move it around and solve. But so in this case now, for example, I bring the x over that side. I get x plus x. I bring the 1 over that side. Plus 1 bring over become minus 1. 3 minus 1. See, minus I bring over, I get plus x. So down here I get 2x equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. X is equals to 1. Notice now, I just solve it. So what did I solve? I solved the value of x. So now I want to find the value of y. I can put the value of x inside here. I can find what's y. You see, y equals to 3 minus x. I put a bracket here. X is 1. I put 1 here. Y equals to 3 minus 1. Y equals to 2. X equals to 1. But what did we find actually? Shafi, you started this in school. What do you find now? X equals 1, Y equals 2. So what? So what? What do you find, Shafi?
The value of x and y.
Yeah, but what is it?
The value of the equation.
The value, okay. So now, do you know that this equation, we have drawn graph for it? Remember not? Do you remember last week we draw a graph? So when we draw a graph down here, let's say now this is the graph lah, we draw. So this line is, let's say lah, y equals to x plus 1. Then we got another one, y equals to 3 minus x. This point when they cut, you will find that y equals to 3 down here, and y equals to 2 down here, and x will equal to 1. When you plot this graph, and they meet and intersect, that's what you are finding. You are finding the value of x and the value of y. These are the coordinates. You remember coordinates or not? Coordinates x and y, remember? So you are finding actually the coordinates of the point of intersection. Example lah, love story. This one girl lah. This one boy lah. So where did they meet? They met at 1,2. What is that? Well, I also do not know where lah. They met at this place. That is the love story. But this is graph story lah. Okay, see, I say love story, you should not like it. All right, it's okay. Of course, the boys also like love story, but yes, it's a different story. Okay, come. So now what I want you to do is you try to solve it. So there's two ways of solving it. You can draw the graph and then draw and see where they intersect, or you can use a formula method like what we are doing here. So now we are going to teach you the formula method. Later on, you use the graph so that you understand what you're doing. So if your teacher asks you, Mr. Shafi, what is x, what is y? Don't just say it's the value. It is actually the coordinates when the two graphs meet in the intersection. Get it, not Shafi? Okay, you get it, huh? I do not know what he's getting. He's looking down, the guy. Okay, let's hope he got it. So this is equation 1. This here is equation 2. Can you solve it? Can you solve means what? To find the value of x, to find the value of y. You try to do. Inshira, you understand, Inshira? Shafi, you know how to do this, huh? Shafi, champion lah, Shafi. Champion, eh? Later, halfway while you're doing, I need to see you're working, okay? So we don't waste time, we do the whole question, then it's all wrong. So in 2 minutes time, I will just check what you're doing. Okay. Inshira, are you confused, Inshira? Don't cry, Inshira. Ryan, are you okay, Ryan? You know what to do? Inshira, you know what to do? Ryan, you know what to do now, Ryan? Yes, I see you're not answering. I assume it's yes. You know what to do? Shafi? Shafi, you know what to do? No one is answering me. Or I'm on mute or what? Shafi, you know what to do? I cannot hear.
Confused a bit.
Okay, come, we do together. We do together. We see what you have done. Okay, but first of all, can I see what you have done? Okay, we will check one by one. Okay. Can I see Ryan's one first? Ryan, can I see yours? Hold on. Wait. Don't move. Okay, Ryan, very good. Ryan, you can continue. Ryan can continue. Substitute x into 1 into any of the equation. Inshira, can I have a look at yours, Inshira? Inshira? Sure lah. Okay. So you seem to be able to do it also, but you have a different answer from Ryan. It's okay. That means you know what to do. Shafi, show me what you have done. Shafi. So far you know your first time seeing it. Shafi, wait lah, Shafi. Shafi, I cannot see lah. Oh, like that. Okay. And then what, Shafi? Shafi, okay. We just now. So you know this y equals to this. Y equals to this. That means these two are equal. So what, Inshira? Shafi, listen, Shafi. You are the one who feeling confused now. Better listen, because the rest. So they just put 2x plus 4 is equals to minus 3x plus 1. Correct lah? Because this is equal, y equals to this, y equals to this. So this is equals to this, correct? So you solve and find out what is x. So Ryan got one answer. Inshira got another answer. Let us see what Shafi has. Now you find what is y. How to find? You just substitute the value. You know this x is, let's say 2. You put in what's the value of 2, then find out what's y. If you say this, Inshira, you feel this 11 over 12, put 11 over 12 here, then you find out what's the answer. Inshira, are you okay, Inshira? You seem to be distracted with something else. Can, Shafi, okay not, Shafi? Not okay. Shafi, you understand this one? This one. This y is equal to this. Y is equal to this. Therefore, this must be equal to this. So I put it here. I know this is not the same method your teacher is using in school. Your teacher is using substitution method on. But I want you to understand first. Y equals to this, correct? Y equals to this. That means these two must be the same lah. So I put this one here, this one here. Then you find out what is that. Ryan, you solved y already, Ryan? You got your y? Okay. You're getting it. Inshira, you got your y already, Inshira? But you got your x already, right? You can put in y. Substitute. What's your value of...
How to find the y?
Okay, you can take any one of these. Y equals to 2. Then you put in the value of x, then you find out. Because you got the value of x, what? You can find out. But of course, you got to check whether your x value is correct. Right? If x value is wrong, everything is wrong. So Shafi, what I'm doing the meaning part of it. No, that means your teacher. Later on, I will go to the teacher formula, teacher strategy. But first of all, you need to understand. Okay, let me see. Okay, y is, hold on. Wait, I don't move. Okay, thank you very much. Let's see. Okay, this one is... So Ryan said the answer y is equals to 6, x is equals to 1. And Ryan, if you can get it right not first time and you're learning this for the first time, that means you're actually very good in maths. Really. There's no reason for me to butter you and all. I don't do this thing. And it looks as if it's right. But let me just check. While we're waiting for the rest. Okay, this was number 1. Okay, this is question 3B, question 2. almost there. It's different answer, Ryan. 2A. No. 3B question 2. Okay, it's a different answer, right? Maybe. Never mind, we go through. Shafi, can get Shafi. Show me what you're doing, Shafi. Shafi, show. Don't be. hold on. Kosong. Okay. All right, we stop for a while. We do together. Inshira, can I see what you're doing, Inshira? Inshira. Oh, frozen. Okay. Okay, maybe yours is correct. Okay, let's go. Okay, here we go. I think I'm the one who's lagging, is it? Maybe I'm lagging. Hey guys, if I'm lagging, please tell me. I'm going to change my phone Wi-Fi. You guys are lagging. Okay, now I change to a phone Wi-Fi. Okay, so we do step by step now. This one, you agree, is equals to this one. Shafi, you understand this one, Shafi? Shafi, this one equals to this one, you understand? Yes, and now we bring all the x to one side. Minus 3x, you bring over there, become plus 3x. So you know it become 5x. This 4, now you bring the other side, become minus 4. So you have 1 minus 4 equals to minus 3. So 5x equals to minus 3. So this is where something is wrong, Ryan. X equals to minus 3 over 5. Ryan, okay with this? Let us see now where Ryan went wrong. Inshira, do you get minus 3 over 5? Wow, steady lah, Inshira. Let's see. Let us see. Okay, Ryan, we go through yours for a while. So, okay. So now I think you did not bring over, Ryan. You did not bring the minus 4. When you bring over, it become plus 4. You bring over, it become minus 4. Okay. And then minus 3x, you bring over plus. So this one is correct. You get 5x. But down here is minus 3. So this part you got wrong. Then the whole thing wrong. Okay. So you must got to be careful. So this one now, x equals to minus 3 over 5. So we put it inside one of this equation. So now Inshira has asked how to do. Very simple. We just copy this equation. Y equals to 2. I put in a minus 3 over 5. You want to put as decimal also can. Minus 3 over 5 is minus 0.6 plus 4. You can see what I'm doing. So now 2 times 3. You times the top one. 2 times 3 is 6. So minus 6 over 5. Just times the top. This means times. When there's no, I think it means times. Plus 4. This is minus 115 plus 4. So you get, if you minus this, you got $4. You utang $1.20. You pay $1.20. This is 1.2 actually. You pay, you get plus 245. This is now y. Y is 2 whole 4/5. X is minus 35. Shafi, which part you don't understand? From your look, I can see. You don't understand. You can see, you cannot see. Which part you don't understand, Shafi? Siakap. You understand everything. Shafi, you understand the first part, right? Okay, your teacher's method, they will say, from equation 1 to 3 or whatever, but that's not yet. Now you can just let this to be equal to this because they give you what is y. Okay, so this is one method. Okay, we move on to the next one. So we ask Inshira, this minus 3/5 is actually minus 0.6 for x. Then y is 2.8. What is this, Inshira? What are all this, son? Inshira, what is this? I don't know. Coordinates. Good. Very good. You know, I didn't know about all this. When I was in Sec 2, I was failing my maths. I had to study everything and I discovered for myself. And when I discovered for myself, I can never forget it really. Maybe there's a reason why Allah wanted me to go through lah. Okay, sorry, yeah. Oh, I wanted to share screen. I realized we don't. So, Ryan, you okay, Ryan? All right, now it's just you got to be careful. Okay, almost got it. You almost got it. Now we try the next one. The next one, they are not going to give you just easily like that. You see, they give you like that. This is equation 1. Then they give you like that. Now this is where Shafi is more used to it. He's getting like that. So how to do this one? He said how to do okay, never mind. We do step by step. Okay. Let us now take equation 1 and try to make it into y equals to something. Remember, that's how we did. Okay, we can do that way, okay? Or you can make x equals to something. We can do that. So x, so maybe we do x lah. Easier because this one got 2y, later got the divide. So now number 1, watch, I put down here from equation 1 to 3. I'm going to change equation 1 to 3. I'm going to put x or y. So down here now, x, I leave it here. I bring over the y. Becomes minus 2y. This is equation 3. Are we okay? Watch, Ryan. This x plus 2y, the 2y, I bring over that side. I bring over 2y, that side become minus 2y. You see minus 2y? Can see it? See down here, from here, x plus 2y equals to 0. This is equation 1, right? Now this one, plus 2y, I bring over here. When I bring it over here, become minus 2y. Then you are left with x down here. So this is equation 3. Why I want to do this, I'll show you in a moment. But you understand what I'm doing? One by one. Inshira, you understand? Ryan, you understand? A little bit, okay. Now down here, this one just now, remember we have like y equals to blah, blah, blah. And then another y equals to blah, blah, blah. And then I can say this is equal to this. Now, what I do, this one got 2y, got 4y. So I'm going to make x equal to blah, blah, blah. X equal to blah, blah, blah. Then I can make this equals to this. Something like that. So now from this equation, I want to push this y over the other side. I want only x to be on the left side. It's up to you. You can choose x to be left side or y to be left side. I'm choosing x, y because I just need to push it there. You say, no. Okay, so I push it there. Then down here now, I can also from equation 2 to 4. Why 2 to 4? Well, I'm going to change this. I'm going to make equation 4. How? You have minus x, right? I'm going to bring minus x to this side. When I bring to this side, it becomes x. See, minus x bring over that side plus x. 6, I bring over that side. You have 4y over that side. I bring plus 6 become minus 6. Can see, no? Can you see? You cannot see, I write down here. Minus x plus 4y equals to 6. Now this one now down here, I want to bring the other side. When I bring the other side, minus x become plus x. And then this 6, I bring over this side, plus 6 become minus 6. So down here become 4y minus 6. Can see, no? I have a new equation. What is this equation? I call this x equals to 4y minus 6. 4y minus 6 equals to x. So x is 4y minus 6. Can see, no? You all can see this? Who's confused? Anyone confused? Raise your hand. Shafi, raise your hand. Okay, Shira, all confused. Shafi, you confused? Shafi are not confused. Okay. You are confused about what happened from here can become this, is it? Are you confused? Okay, so I'm going to try again. Now, down here, I write down minus x plus 4y equals to 6. I bring this minus x to this side. 6 plus x. Minus x become plus x. I'm left with 4y here. Correct? Okay. Now there's plus 6. I don't want this. I don't want the plus 6 here. I'll bring over there. Become minus 6. 4y minus 6 equals to x. It's left here. Okay, can see that? So that means this is x equals to 4y minus 6. Same thing. 4y minus 6 equals x. X equals to 4y minus 6. It's like someone said 7 equals to x. I want to write x equals to 7. Same thing. Same thing. Someone said x 7 equals x. I say x equals to 7. Why? Normally we write the x on the left side. So I write, they say 4y minus 6 equals to x. Yeah, that means x equals to 4y minus 6. So this is equation number 4. Now, so the two different equations are number 3 and number 4. Let us write the equation 3 and 4 side by side. Equation 3 is x. Equation 3 is x minus 2y. Sorry, x equals to minus 2y. Equation 4 is x equals to 4y minus 6. They say x equals to minus 2y. X. That means that these two are equal because they're equal to x. This one equal to x, this one equal to x. That means these two must be equal. Like just now, like this now. So I take minus 2y equals to 4y minus 6. Can see now? Then I go and solve. Okay, we stop for a while. Inshira, okay or not okay? Ryan, okay? Okay, a little bit. A little bit. Which part is not okay? Is there? Cannot hear. Because you unmute, then you mute yourself, and now you unvideo yourself. I cannot hear what you're saying. Shafi'i, you are okay? Ryan, you okay? Which part you not okay? You unmute and let me hear. Which part not okay? Cannot hear your voice lah. Very soft lah.
I don't understand.
Which part? Which part again? Which part again? Okay. Actually, I can't hear you still, but okay, I will repeat from here. This part you understand? Yes, sir. I can't hear you now. Okay. So now if you understand this part, I'm now going to write down equation 3. This is what I changed just now from 1. I changed to this one. Is x equals to minus 2y. Then this one, equation 4, is x equals to 4y minus 6. They are saying x is equal to this. They are saying x is equal to this. Therefore, minus 2y must be equal to 4y minus 6. Because this is equal to this is equal to this. So these two must be equal. You get it? Okay, then we try. So now you can solve it. You can find out what is y. Can you solve and find out what is y first? Never mind. Maybe the next round might be clearer. You solve, find out what is y. Shafi, okay now, Shafi? Okay, you try solve it. You solve this equation. Okay, don't worry if you're confused. My student was broke down because the person couldn't understand this one. Maybe I'm teaching you too fast, but yeah, it's better to be fast than not fast. Okay, minus y equals to 4y minus 6. Inshira, what's the value of y?
I will finish it.
Okay. Shafi, what's the value of y?
3.
3. Macam mana dia boleh dapat 3 sih? Something wrong lah. Okay, we do together. Minus 2y is equals to 4y minus 6. We bring this 4y over there. Plus 4y, you bring over, become minus 4y. Minus 2y minus 4y equals to minus 6. You utang $2, you utang $4, you utang $6. Minus 6y equals to minus 6. That means 6y equals to 6. Y equals to 1. Then substitute the value of y into here lah. You want to find the value of x, very simple. All right, the x is equals to minus 2y. Very simple lah. Oh, I just put substitute now. Now this is what Shafi learned in school. They must learn to say all these words lah. Substitute x equals to 1, y equals to 1 into, let's say, equation 3. So this is equation 3, let's say. X equals to minus 2. Y value you put inside here. Y is 1, put on here 1. So minus 2 times y is minus 2. X equals to minus 2. Y equals to 1. Okay, don't worry, you can't get it yet, but you are getting a little bit of it. We'll give you another question. By the end of this session, you will be able to do the simultaneous question, inshallah. Okay, we try the next one. Try the next one. So what is it we are trying to do? We are trying to find out x and y. In the process, we get rid of one. When we substitute, we get rid of one of the letters down here. We get rid of the x. No more x here. Minus 2y equals to 4y minus 6. There's no more x. Earlier on, we removed the y. Now we remove the x. You can remove the x or remove the y, up to you. Okay, we try the next one. Okay, next one. Now don't feel frustrated. Okay, this is part and parcel of the journey. Okay, don't be so frustrated. See, I hate and this and what to do. This is part of life lah. You will discover as you become an adult, life is tougher and tougher and tougher and tougher. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Can you solve this, please? You solve. Try. My clue to use this. Let y equals to something. Bring the x over that side. Y equals something. Then you get y equals something. Y equals something. You can solve. That's my clue to you. Rearrange this equation 1, make it equation 3, but push the 2x that side. Rearrange, make this equation 2 to become equation 4. Push the x to that side, and you'll be able to get it. Try. Okay, just give me 3 minutes. You can see the question. Push. Okay, let us see where. How are you guys doing? Okay, let me see. I need to check your working. Let's see how far. Hey, where is Inshira? Cousin. You don't know. Aduh, I thought you jaga cousin. She's trying to come in, but she cannot come in. Okay, Shafi, can I see what you're doing, Shafi? Shafi first, Shafi.
I saw the question only. I'm redoing the question.
What are you doing? Okay, Ryan, can I see yours? Hold on. Ryan's one, it looks very convincing, Ryan. Okay, let me just check through and then I see, okay, whether how you're doing it. Inshira is gone just for a while. 1 plus 1. Ryan, you make fundamental error in few areas. Okay, right. Okay, Ryan, you tell me now. You tell me. You must be the one to tell me. Now, Ryan, down here, 2x plus y equals to 5. Now, I put y equals to, I want to bring the 2x over. This is plus 2x or minus 2x now. So I bring over, it become minus. You must get this one first. This one, Ryan, this one, look. X plus y equals to 1. Now I put y here. I want to bring the x over. Is this plus or minus? I bring over, it becomes what? Minus. You put everything plus. That's why you cannot. Yours is going to be wrong. You gotta readjust. Okay, readjust. So this is the correct one. And you can say this is now equation 4. This one is equation 3. And we want to welcome back Miss Inshira. Oh, she's not here. She disappeared again. I just let her in. She disappeared. I think her internet is quite slow. Inshira joining, tak joining. Now she's joining again. Inshira, very small down there. Okay, so Ryan, you try again, Ryan. Don't cry. It's only maths, one question. It's okay. Okay. Ryan, you have become a man now. The Ryan I knew 2 years ago was a different Ryan. Inshira, welcome back. Where have you gone to? Malam-malam, please don't merayap. Come do the maths. Come.
No, just now it went out itself. Never do anything.
Yeah, I know. That means your Wi-Fi lah. Your Wi-Fi. Inshira, how have you solved what is X, what is Y, whatever?
My x is -4.
X is -4. Okay, and your Y is?
Y is
X is -4 or +4?
negative.
Okay, answer key say +4 lah. Shafi, yours, Shafi? Shafi?
My y is -3. My x is 8.
X is 8. Ryan, you got Ryan? Still doing? Don't know how to do. Okay, we try it. I can't hear your audio. Is that thing? Okay, never mind. We will go through step by step. So now down here, I want to make sure that this one is 1, right? I want to make sure I push this x on this side. So this equation, I'm going to change to equation 3, let's say. I put the x, I bring that side, this y equals to 1 minus x. Y become plus x, now become minus x. I bring it to the other side. If you don't understand this, okay, how to get rid of this? Minus x here, so you must minus x here. It's also 1 minus x. So this is equation 3. Equation 1 now goes to equation 4 now. Again, I bring this 2x plus 2x, I bring it to the other side. So you got y equals to 5 minus 2x. Y plus 2x, I bring the other side. So it becomes minus 2x. This is equation 4. Now we can see Ryan, Inshira, and Shafi'i, y equals to 1 minus x. Okay. Y equals to 5 minus 2x. Okay. That means 5 minus 2x is equals to 1 minus x lah. Because both are y. What? The value of y is 1 minus x. The value of y is 5 minus 2x. That means these two must be equal. What? So 1 minus x is equals to 5 minus 2x. I bring the minus 2x over that side. I get 2 positive 2x. Negative 2x bring become positive 2x. Minus x plus 1 equals to 5. 2x minus x is x plus 1 equals to 5. Now plus 1 I bring over that side become minus 1 equals to 4. X is equals to 4. You can see now. Check where you made a mistake. Now, the next one, I need to substitute this to anyone. I can substitute here. Okay. So I'm going to substitute what? Y. I just put down here lah, equation 3. Y equals to 1 minus x. I just put the value of x inside this 4 into this x. Y equals to 1 minus 4 lah, like that. You go 1 minus 4 equals to minus 3. Y equals to minus 3. X equals to 4. Okay, are we okay? We have to practice again. I need to see where you are at, and because maybe it's at the beginning, like Ryan is now. The rest, I think you know how to do it, Ryan. Is that you bring over, you make a mistake. Oh, I forgot to change the sign. Then the whole thing become bum. Right? So let us. So don't give up. Okay, you are getting it. You know, in soccer, the research says what the research says. The top scorer will be the one who makes the most number of misses. And it's logical, right? Let's say you say whoever, whichever soccer player is scoring the most number of goals. You go and check the records, he makes the most number of misses. Why? Because he's trying to score the goal all the time. He will make the most number of goals, he will make the most number of misses. So if you are missing, almost there, that means it's only a question of time before you succeed. But if you give up halfway, let's say soccer player try first kick, miss, I give up, I don't want to play then the player will not win You know what I mean? So if this is also true of basketball. They found out that what's his name, Michael Jordan. He scored the most number of points, but he made the most number of misses also. So this is only logical. Okay, this is not it's not something mysterious So if you are making more mistakes, but you are getting closer, it's okay. Okay, we try now question 1b. 2x plus y equals to 5. This is equation 1. X minus y. Inshira, you okay, Inshira? Equals to 1. You okay, right, Inshira? Do not go to the dark side. Okay, good. Okay,
Yes.
you can see okay, okay, good. For a while, you sound like Zahira. Oh, sisters. Shafi, can see that, Shafi? Any questions, please ask. Any problems you're facing in school, please tell me, for maths. And once you have done, show me the first part once you have done. Because I need to just check whether you convert okay or not. Shafi, okay, Shafi? Inshi, are you okay, Inshi?
Yes.
Okay, Ryan, can I have a look at yours, Ryan? You're working. Let me see you're working. Okay. What you have written? Hold on now. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. You continue first. Let me see. It's not the one. Okay, Ryan, just stop for a while, Ryan. Okay, Ryan, this one, and maybe the rest also, just be careful. From this one now, when you bring the x over to that side, it becomes 1 minus x, correct? But you are left with now minus y. You are having not y, you have minus y. So what to do? How to get rid of the minus? So you can times this by -1 and times the whole thing by -1. Or you just put the negative outside the bracket here. So down here, when you times -1 to this, negative times negative, give you positive. And this one, 1 minus x, you will become x minus 1. It's become the opposite. How you get x minus 1? Minus times plus give you -1. Minus times minus become plus. So watch out what happened actually. Down here now, 1 minus x, the opposite of it is x minus 1. You see that x is positive. This one is negative. This one is positive. This one is negative. So it's opposite. So this is what you are supposed to, Ryan, this is what you are supposed to make x minus 1 is equals to something, because this is y, not minus y. Just now you put on your y equals to 5 minus 2x, correct? So 5 minus 2x is equals to x minus 1, not 1 minus x. You wrote 1 minus x. 1 minus x is minus y, not y. Okay? So take note of that. Shafi, you understand what I'm talking about? What's your answer, Shafi? You got your answer there.
X equals to 2, y equals to 1.
Okay, let me check. Congratulations, Shafi. Inshira, what's your answer, Inshira?
I haven't finished yet. I'm like
Okay.
almost finished.
Okay. Please try. So, Shafi, how are you doing this in class then? How? You don't understand how you're doing?
I use simultaneous. I use simultaneous method.
This is simultaneous equation, sama.
Uh,
Only thing I didn't use the substitute. It's the same thing. But are you okay in class now? You understand what the teacher is teaching now? Those stuff you don't understand, you ask me lah. You can message me. You don't need to be shy. Just ask me. Can then I will go through those stuff that you don't know. Okay. In fact, yeah. All right, right. Okay, we are going to go through shortly. Inshira, what's your answer, Inshira? Not yet. Coming soon, just a little bit more. Okay.
For X, I got 2, and then for
What?
Y, I got 1.
Okay, I think that's a correct answer. So let us go through one by one. Be very careful here. So now we go equation. Okay, this equation 1 to equation 3 lah. Okay. So down here, Ryan, this is very clear for you. This is equation 3 already. From 1 to 3. Okay. So this one's okay. From 2 to 4 only. From 2 to 4, be careful. So for me, actually, I don't like to bring the x over. You know why? Ryan, you know why? I don't want to do times minus 1. No, I bring the minus y over. You see down here? I bring the minus y over, what happened? It becomes plus y. Then 1 plus 1. This is a plus 1, right? I bring the minus y over that side, become plus y. Can you see it? Or you see 1 plus y. Can you see now? Minus y, I bring over, become plus y lah. Then all I do is I bring the 1 to the side, x minus 1 equals to y. So sometimes I will bring the y there instead of the x. Y is easier. Can you see easier? Minus y, I bring over, become plus y. Then the 1 I bring over, become minus 1. So you say x minus 1 equals y. Yeah, that means y equals to x minus 1. Same thing, what? So this is number 4. So now down here, this one, you can make them together. See, y equals to 5 minus 2x. Y equals minus 1. So they see 5 minus 2x equals to x minus 1. So what do? I don't like to have x or minus. I bring it the other side. So we got x plus 2x minus 1 equals to 5. So this one becomes 3x minus 1 equals to 5. Now I bring the minus 1 over that side. Becomes 5 plus 1, 6. 3x equals to 6. 3x equals to 6, correct? X equals to 6 minus 3 equals to 2. I get x equals to 2. Now I put it like inside one of the thing. Okay, inside number 4. Y equals to x is 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Y equals to 1. X equals to 2. Okay, you know, when I was doing this last time, I got very frustrated. I mean, one small mistake, everything is gone. One small mistake, everything is gone. So this is practice and training until you become very, very careful. Okay? Until you become very, very careful. Okay, we try. Now you know the videos are on, right? You can refer to it anytime you want. Okay, this will stay on until many years lah. We allow the other students to benefit from it lah. If they want to watch, I think no one is watching as well. So can you solve this? It looks similar to that, but it's different. This one is similar, same, but this one is different. Can you try to solve? You can do it. You have to believe you can do it. Remember rukun iman pertama, which is what? You believe in God, so God will help you to do whatever that you want. So long as it's good lah. You want to do bad things, I have done bad things, and trust me, He is going to fix you up. Inshira, Inshira, Catwoman. Catwoman, Catwoman lah. Oh,
No.
I was thinking, who is this Catwoman? I like Catwoman. That's not good to like, but anyway. Boleh tahan. So Ryan, I bring the minus y over there, become plus y. Plus 1, I bring over, become minus 1. This one minus y, I bring over, become plus y. 5 over, bring over, become minus 5. So I got it ready. I don't need to do the complex way. Shafi, you finish yet, Shafi? Ah, kidat lah. Okay, what's your answer, Shafi?
X equals to 4, Y equals to 3.
Wait, hold on. X equals to 4. Okay, well done. Easy, are you? What else are you? What are you weak at, Shafi? Don't know. Are there girls in Arjunit? Yes, sir.
I'm saying Arabia.
You're not in. Your sister is in Arjunit.
Yeah.
So Arabia, there's boys. It means you're not taking the religious track.
I don't know.
You know, Arjunit is specialized in the religious side, right?
Oh yeah.
So your adik is taking religious side, lah.
Yeah.
Means you won't become a ustad, is it?
No.
You don't want to become a ustad? Why not? You know all the mufti and all that. The previous mufti, they are not from madrasah, no. Even Andalus, you know Andalus?
Oh,
I know the owner. I just met the owner the other day. So I was talking to him. I said, "Are you from madrasah?" He says, "No, he's not from madrasah. He went to NUS. Then he took his university degree from the Islamic University. But he's doing religious stuff, right? So you can do the same, lah. What's your dream, Shafi?
I don't have.
You must find your dream, right? You must ask yourself, why are you on earth? You see, you are on earth for a reason. So what is that reason? Of course, is to worship Allah. All of us are in for worship Allah. But what is that special thing? Your mission on earth? You must find out. You're in Irshad, kan, they say Khalifa fil ard, right? Khalifa in the world. That means you are leader for something. So you got to find out what it is, lah. And once you find it, you will never lose the meaning of life. Life will be very, very enjoyable. Really. Because I found mine. It took me a long time to find. And it's always an adventure. Mr. Ryan, I need to have a look at yours, please. Can I just have a look at yours? No. Okay, wait. Why you feel embarrassed? Don't feel embarrassed, lah. Hello. Okay, but did you change to equation 3 and okay? So we do. Inshira, what's your answer, Inshira? Inshira?
For X, I got 4. Then for Y, I got 3.
Is it correct, Shafi? X4, Y3? Is it the same as yours? Same answer. Okay, so step by step. So now let us look at this. Equation 1, Ryan. 2x minus y equals to 5. So I bring the y over this side. Equals 5 plus y. Why plus y? Because minus y down here. I bring over, it become plus y. Okay. Then down here is 2x. Then I want to bring the 5 back there. This 5 I will bring there. Plus 5 I bring over, become minus 5. Y equals to 2x minus 5. Y equals to 2x minus 5. This is equation number from where? From 1. It becomes equation 3. You get it, Ryan? You get it? Can see not? Why is it I bring the y there? Because I do not want to leave the y here, down here. If I leave the y here, later I got to times my minus 1. I don't want to do that. I bring over, become plus. I'm very happy. Okay. Down here, same thing. This thing now, same thing. X minus y equals to 1. If I bring the x over down, I'm left with minus y. I don't want that. I want to make it easy for myself. I bring this minus y over there. So I become 1 plus y equals to x. Right? I bring minus, become plus down here. Then this 1, now I want to bring it back there. Plus 1 is plus 1 here. I bring there, it becomes minus 1. X minus 1 equals to y. Which means y equals to x minus 1. So this is number 4. Y equals to x minus 1. Y equals to 2x minus 5. That means 2x minus 5 and x minus 1 are the same, are equal. Y equals to 2x minus 5. Y equals to x minus 1. Y is equal to this. Y is equals to this. So these two must be the same lah. That means 2x minus 5 must be equal to x minus 1. So now I bring lah. X I bring over this side. 2x minus x plus x become minus x. Minus 5 equals to minus 1. So I get x. 2x minus 1. X is x 1x. Minus 5 is equals to 1. Bring over the x 5 to that side becomes 6. X equals 6. Am I doing it wrong? Is the answer 6? Shafi? No. Uh-oh. What did I do wrong? Something is wrong. Question number C. Uh-oh. Something is wrong. Oh, sorry. There's a minus, it's minus 1. Notice my mistake. I left out the minus. Can you see? It's minus 1. I must put the minus here. So when I bring the minus 5 over, it becomes plus 5. 5 minus 1 equals to 4. Now it's correct. X equals to 4. Notice, I myself forgot the minus sign. I will get the wrong answer. Be careful. So now x minus 4, then I put it inside here. Okay, let's say y equals to x minus 1, this equation. Now x we know is 4. I put y equals to 4 minus 1 equals to 3. So y equals to 3, x equals to 4. Okay, we try again. Inshira is coming in again. Okay, are you okay, Ryan? Not okay. So what you need to do now, if you say not okay, you know how to watch this video. Okay, I'll show you in a moment. You go and try these questions again on your own. You have to. There is no substitute for hard work. There's some people say, I take a tablet, I will get good in maths. Nonsense. That's not true. So the same thing. What do? You go down here. You know the YouTube channel, right? Okay, let's say my YouTube channel down here. You check Shaheed Salim, you'll find this. Then you will see, look under playlist. Playlist now, you can see your brother is here, again, your brother's photo, but don't look for your brother's photo. Mr. Shaheed Zoom Tuition 2021. You can view full playlist and you will find the Sec 2 one. See Sec 2 and A. You look out for Sec 2 and A. If you find, let's say there's topics in Sec 1, you're not sure, go to the Sec 1 one and go and try some of the question. Then you listen to the explanation if you want to, but no one can force you. No one can force any of you, because at this stage, you must remember that education is all about you. It's no longer your parents pushing you. And normally once we reach Sec 2 and all, we become more mature. Okay? But the question is, if we are so back in time, we have not mastered, it becomes very tough. Very tough. You take more time to master. Okay, we try 1E. What's the time? I think we still can do it. Inshira, are you there? Inshira is there. 5x plus y equals to 6. This is equation 1. Then minus 5x plus y equals to 4. So down here, Ryan, all you need to do, bring this over there is plus y. Bring over the 5 equal plus y. So this one is easier than this now. Okay, just try. Ryan, your mic, maybe you want to fix. Cannot hear. Otherwise, I cannot have a conversation with you. So Ryan might be saying, yeah, I want it that way actually. Ryan, don't be like that, Ryan. Shafi, you're frozen, Shafi. You're looking at something. Shafi, what is happening? Is it me or what? No, right? We can still communicate. So let's just looking there. Shafi, are you there?
Lagging.
You're lagging. From your picture, I see you're looking at someone. Shafi is gone now. It's okay lah. Oh, my hair is quite bad lah. Okay, you're back. Alhamdulillah, you came back. We thought we lost you, but your cousin is nowhere to be seen. Okay. So no problem. You got internet problem. Ryan, can I have a look at yours, Ryan? Okay. Oh, hold on. Hold on. One more minute. 1 second. Hold on. Okay, thank you very much. The 5x, when you bring over with the 6, it becomes minus 5x when you bring over that side. So it might be 6 minus 5x. Don't jump step. You see, you are jumping step. Okay. So what you did not do? Okay, maybe for you do like this, like that. You do like that. Okay. You do like this. Never mind if your teacher that thing. You just do like that. Sorry, can see, right? You can see, yeah. You just do like that. Now you bring 5x, right? You use like that. You do the arrow and all. So minus plus become minus. So now you know y. You copy y, right? Equals to 6 plus 5x become minus 5x. Can. You can write down here, never mind, don't care, don't worry about it. Make sure, because now you're not writing, you're doing it mentally. Ryan is doing it mentally. Mentally, you think, now Ryan say mentally, now is this one, mentally 5x plus 6. Mentally, Ryan does this. But mentally, now you see 5x, I bring over there, must be minus 5x. Mentally, you must put like that. Ryan, you get it, Ryan? When you bring over plus over the equal sign, you must change it to minus. Must. Mentally, you did not change it because you did it mentally. When you do things mentally, sometimes it's like that. So same thing now. Down here, now this is equals to 4. Equals to 4, yes. So now, you change like that. Do like that. Okay, if you want, you do like that. Okay, down here plus y, right? Y minus 5x, you bring over, become plus 5x. So 4 plus 5x. Okay. But I don't know, do you have this? I can't remember. Then these two are equal lah. Otherwise, at the on start, you have a problem. It's like scoring an own goal lah. You celebrating, you're doing a lot of hard work, dribbling here, dribbling there with the sum, then what, get it, score goal, own goal. It's like this imagery. Inchi, are you there, Inchi? Inchi?
Yes.
You don't mind me calling Inchi, yeah? I call your sister Hira. Hira, you know I call her Hira. Gua Hira lah. It's okay, kan? Shafi'i Gua Hira is okay, right? It's a good place, right? Shafi'i is asking, what is Gua Hira? Hey, Shafi'i, you know what's Gua Hira? No? Do you know what's Gua Hira? You know, what is it? What is Gua Hira?
Is a place where Nabi Muhammad
Okay. So you know lah, okay. Betapa and whatnot. Okay, let's say we get the ilham and the revelation, the first revelation. I think I'm blocking you guys, so let me try. So then score the goal, Ryan. Please don't score on goal lah. The research I tell you about most trying of goal is they don't score the own goal. They score other people's goal. Okay. Inshira, what problems are you having, Inshira? I'm not talking about girl problems or whatever, but what problems are you having in maths? Or no problem?
I don't know. I don't know if I got home.
How come you say you don't know? Last year you got no problems also. You know whatever you learned last year,
I got.
then you must tell me because I got to do the cleaning this year. You know whatever that you did not master last year, I have to help you chase up, So you must make a list of the things you do not know from last year topic. You try to remember, last year I hated this. Just tell it to me. What is it? Then when we are covering the Sec 2 topics, I will cover that also. Okay, but I leave it to you, okay? That's all I can tell you guys. It's up to you guys to decide. Shafi, you got answer, Shafi? Shafi, no.
X equals to 0.2, y
Okay,
equals to 5.
Congratulations, Shafi. You try to score A, Shafi, for maths. In fact, all of you should score A for maths. Inshira, can you just tell your sister, Zahira, that I'm trying to change.
Hello.
Next. Is Zahira there?
She go already.
Okay. You call her for what? I just Zahira. Hira. Okay, never mind lah. You ask her to check her phone, can? Later ask her to check the phone.
She's here already.
Zahira.
Yes.
Zahira, next Friday is Chinese New Year. So Raihana cannot make it next Thursday. So I want to make it on Monday, three days later, tuition 7:45. Are you able to make it on Monday? Not tomorrow, no. 8 days more.
Oh.
Not tomorrow.
Oh, miss, next week Monday.
Next Monday. Are you okay?
Monday.
Yeah, is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, so I will check with Hyan's mother. If Hyan's mother say okay, then I will send you confirmation. Thank you very much. Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, we will go through now. Let us see. So now you have y equals to 6 minus 5x. The other one, y equals to 4 plus 5x. So that means these two are equal. So you write 6 minus 5x equals to 4 plus 5x. Okay, you want to, I bring the minus 5x over here. 4 plus 5x plus another 5x equals to 6. So this one become, then this 4 I bring over here. 6 minus 4 plus 4 I bring over become minus 4. This one become 10x. So 10x equals to 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, don't be confused. If you're confused, I like 2 equals to 10x. So 10x equals to 2. So x equals to 2 divided by 10 equals to 0.2 or 1 over 5. Both are acceptable. The next one down here, I substitute this value into this one. Let's say down here, y equals to 6 minus 5x. X is 0.2, so I put 0.2 down here. So y equals to 6 minus 5 by 0 times 0.2 is 1. So y equals to 5. Shafi is correct, right? Yeah, okay. So again, if you can't get it, please refer to the video. Okay, this video will be available. I'm not going to delete them. Okay, I hope you don't beg me to delete them. Okay, we do the next one. We do the next one. The last one we try to do lah. Last one. Okay. I give you an easy one. Y equals to x. Y plus 2x equals to 6. Please solve. 2, 1. Equation 1, you don't need to do anything. Just equation 2 you need to do. Arab off, Arab off. Yes. Can see not, Shabi? Oh, sorry. Hey, you all cannot see, you must tell lah. Don't be shy lah. Somehow you become older, you become shy lah.
Is y plus 2x equals to what?
6 equals to 6. Okay, anyone got an answer? Shafi?
X equals to 2, Y equals to 2.
Okay. Ryan? Ken? Do you get X equals to Y equals to 2? Sorry? I again, I can't hear you. I feel as if you're in outer space now. Something like Inshira, what's your answer?
I got Y2 and then X also 2.
Okay. So X and Y actually same value. So we just put in lah. Down here, we put the X, Y equals to X inside here. So can you see down here, this Y down here? Y equals to X. So I put X lah. Because they say Y is equals to X. So now I get 3X equals to 6. X equals to 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. Again, Y equals to X. So this is also the same as X lah. So X plus 2X equals to 6. 3X equals to 6 lah. So 1X is 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So if X equals to 2, Y also must be equal to 2 because Y is equals to X. So Y equals to 2 also. If you don't get it, you must watch the video again, okay? All right. Any questions now? Well, we did it quite fast, 2 minutes more. Any questions? No more. Okay, I have to test you one by one. Shafi, what is a rational number? Rational number. Ryan, what is an integer? Integer.
I forgot.
Forgot. Okay. Inshira, what's an integer? Integer.
Integer is a number.
Integer is what?
Hello.
Hello.
It's a number.
Number. Okay, rational number is also a number. Integer is a whole number. A negative whole number, a positive whole number, and 0. That's integer. So we come back to Mr. Shafi. Mr. Shafi, what's a rational number versus an irrational number? You know what's rational? Person who thinks logically, a rational person. A gila fella is irrational. You know, person gila? You know what he's talking? Irrational. So rational number, they can be represented on the number line. You have said number line on here. 0, 1, 2, 3. So then I can represent the number 2 is a rational number. 1.5 is also a rational number. 1/3 is a rational number. Minus 267, rational number. Irrational number, you use your calculator now, try square root of -4. You can get or not? You try square root of -4, what do you get? Cannot get, error lah. So that is an irrational number. But I can write it down. Yes, you can write it down, but there's no such number. So why no such number? Because square root means what? Same number times itself. If same number times itself, -4 times, let's say -2 times -2 equals to +4, not -4. Then 2 times 2 is +4, not -4. How to get -4? -2 times 2. But this is different number lah. 2 and -2 different number. 1 is down here, -2. This one down here is 2. This is different number. So there's no such thing as square root of -4. Square root of negative number you cannot get. It's an irrational number. Okay, I hope you get it. Rational number are numbers that you can represent on the number line. Irrational numbers, you can talk about it, but it doesn't exist. Okay, so I'll see you next Sunday, right after Chinese New Year. All right, have a good Lunar New Year. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.